The world around us is filled with constantly evolving technology. At the forefront of this ever-changing environment is something small, something invisible to the naked eye, and something most of us take for granted. The transistor is one of the most crucial building blocks of almost everything that man has made since the turn of the 20th century. This ubiquitous piece of technology was imagined in 1947 by two pioneers, John Bardeen and Walter Brattain. It wasn't until visionary William Shockley saw potential in this new discovery that the transistor came to be such an integral part of our lives. Today, these transistors are manufactured in the billions using a process known as photolithography. What is photolithography? Simply put, it is printing with light. At the root of the manufacturing process is a material that is neither conductive nor insulating. This material is known as a semiconductor. To begin the creation of this vast array of transistors, the semiconductor, in this case silicon, is cleaned and coated with a layer of liquefied pure silicon to serve as an oxidized layer. Next, a coat of photoresistive chemical is applied over the surface, and a pattern is transferred to this layer via light shown through a stencil known as a mask. The silicon wafer is then exposed to a chemical bath that etches through the unexposed photoresist. After sufficiently etching the wafer, the remaining photoresist is removed. A doped sample of silicon is then placed in these voids, and a new layer of oxidized silicon is formed over the top. This is repeated several times with different masks, sometimes up to 50 times, until a fully functional transistor is completed. The wafer is then diced into several chips and packaged with what is known as the flip chip method. This final product is then distributed to the masses.